Today we'll learn how to change the color of an object in Premiere Pro. First, place your video on the timeline. Now go to the Effects panel, search for the Change Color effect. And drag and drop it onto your clip. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and select the Using Hue option in the Match Color section. Now select the eyedropper tool for color to change. Use the eyedropper to select the color you want to change. Now change the value of the hue transformation. As you change the hue transformation value, the selected color will also change accordingly. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.